Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not a very exciting way to end the week, although I will say an interesting pattern going into a new week, just because yesterday, being Thursday, was a nasty gap and trap, as I talked about in the video. I mean, the big gap up. And then from there, basically all selling pressure. And yeah, there was more selling pressure today, but not that much at all. In fact, volume fell off a cliff today. And in this situation, I'm not going to say that's really a bad thing. Now, if volume remains too low for too long, people will lose interest and go find something else. But as things stand right now, there wasn't much more, bearishness in the sense of people continuing to freak out and sell and sell and sell. And with all of that, it did get a nice little sideways movement here. Now, does this mean that for sure guaranteed it's going to move upwards? Unfortunately, trading's not that easy. My core point here is it's at least a rational, it's at least a valid thought to have that, you know what, maybe this thing is trying to prime up for not necessarily another move up to, $16, but even if it goes up, half that amount, that's still a respectable move from a trading standpoint. So what I'm very curious about going into next week is really all about, and I should note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you a lot of people have taken notice of this level, and they're going to be watching and wondering the same thing in regards to $8.50. The big question being, if the price can get up to that level and push through it, once again, not a guarantee, but a more than rational thought to have. If that can happen, then that could very well create that much more upside buying pressure. And once more, not send it up to $16, but give it a nice little breakout potential. So $8.50 is going to be one of those levels that I think a lot of people will be watching early next week. Now, again, if the price and the volume just continues to fade and fade and fade, then people just won't care even about $8.50 anymore. But I mean, it's only been one day of the volume dropping off, so that's going to be the main level to watch. And then as far as support levels are concerned, key level to keep a close eye on, going to be right down there around $6.25. But all in all, I know I'll be watching this one on Monday, and we'll see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.